going on you? It's your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another review for you guys. Take a look. We got a classic on deck, the Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. And before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos like these. These were released back in 1988. This is the actual original OG form. I know the 2007 and 2013 pair came with the Jumpman on the back. These actually come with the Nike Air on the back. 2022 version is almost identical as to the 1988. And before we get into it, man, if you need sneakers, any kind of sneakers you guys need, go check out Chicago EMPORIUM. I will leave their link in the description. Love the Jordan 3. Is one of my favorite silhouettes. But we gonna jump straight into it, man. The Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds 2022. Let's get into it. Start off with the box. Red Jumpman on the front. You got your elephant print on the bottom, as you guys can see. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro. The colorway is white, fire red, black. Retail on these $210. You got your card. Love that right there. You open up your card. It tells you about the Jordan 3. I love that, man. They got to bring those retro cards back. And that is it for the box. Take a look at the outer sole. You got your Nike branding. Gray, red, white. You guys can see, looking fresh. Upper does feature a nice white leather. The leather's pretty good on this pair, I must say. Craftsmanship is also nice, man. My pair came pretty good. As for sizing on Jordan 3s, I do recommend you guys go true to size. All right, go true to size, you'll be good to go. It does come with the hang tag, man. The hang tag is classic. The hang tag with the Nike Air. You got your elephant print, fire. You do got your red on the midsole, following with the white air bubble unit clear. You see up over here on the ankle collar, it is in that red also, with your perforated holes. You do got some hits with the red eyelids. Front of your toe box, tumble leather in the front of the toe, very, very nice. White laces. You got your gray behind the white laces. When you get to the tongue, white leather tongue with the red Jumpman stitched in. Let's get to the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. Got your all white leather upper. Just look at the leather. All white leather upper. Elephant print. Red on the midsole with the white. And you got your clear air bubble unit with your red eyelids. With that little hit, with that hit of gray right there. Take a look at that booty, man. You got your Nike Air in the red. Following below that, you do have the elephant print. Lately, a lot of shoes been coming with these stuffers. I don't know, they haven't been giving us the shoe tree like before. With your Nike Air on the inner sole in white with the all red. And there you have it, the Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds, set to release September 10th. That's when they're supposed to come out, guys, but a lot of dates are getting changed. So don't quote me. It might come out September 10th. It might come out after. I don't know if they're going to get pushed back, but I hope they do come out September 10th. Now, resale on these, I don't predict them going for that much in the beginning. Probably going to be from like $250 to $300. I'll be amazed if these go for over $300, but hey, I think later on in time, these will definitely go up, man. So yeah, definitely that's what I predict for the resale. Like I said, for sizing, go true to size. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review on these Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds. So hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. It's your boy DS Dan, man. We're about to get into this on feet.